Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V10 is losing suction and struggling to pick up dirt, you're not alone. This issue often stems from a failing motor, which decreases the vacuum's ability to create the necessary airflow. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. To tackle this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement motor. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V10 is unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the handle and base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Gently prise apart the casing using your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage the clips. Once opened, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base of the unit. You may notice some wires connected to it. These need to be disconnected. Make a note of where each wire goes to ensure correct reconnect later. To remove the motor, unscrew the mounting screws that hold it in place. Be cautious when applying force, as the screws may be tight. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out, making sure not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old motor removed, take your new motor and position it where the old one was located. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are securely attached and in their correct positions. After double-checking everything, it's time to close the casing. Align it carefully and press down until all clips are firmly in place. Replace the screws in the handle and base to secure the device. Finally, plug in your Dyson V10 and turn it on to check if the suction has been restored. If you notice any unusual sounds or if it's still not performing as expected, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and ensure that the dust canister is emptied after each use. Avoid using the vacuum on large debris that could clog the motor. Proper maintenance will help prolong the life of your Dyson V10 and keep it running smoothly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.